and welcome to Table Talk with Amy,
Sophie,
and Rex.
And we're introducing Rex to you this week as a new member of our team. Welcome.
Hello everyone. I'm a marketing and operations intern, and this week I've been working on location for our kit camps and also the positioning of price and kind of language and how we communicate this by comparing what's already out there for children and their parents.
And we're getting close, aren't we?
really close.
Extremely close, yeah. So we've got the date sorted, we've got the theme sorted, and we now have the venue sorted. So we're almost there.
Yeah,
Excited.
and that's why we're excited to have Rex on the team, because he's making it happen for us. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then what have we been up to, Sophie?
We spent last Friday together planning, really taking a step back, carrying on with that pause on the build to make sure that we are aligned and raring to go.
Yeah, and then we started to think about the vision and how we want to pitch kit in the marketplace, and thinking about competing with the likes of Headspace and Calm, who are doing an amazing job in terms of meditation and mindfulness. But when it comes to teens, we have a concern about if you're building isolated, silent environments, the fact that you could be encouraging more social anxiety and loneliness, whereas what we're campaigning for is more vocalization, connection and social confidence, which always leads us back to voice.
Exactly, so voice still very much at the core of what we're thinking for our product. We know that there are still challenges with voice tech on phones. There's added complexity there if we're not going to use existing hardware, but the existing hardware still cages us in some way, so still playing around, working on that to really get to something that's going to be valuable.
Next week's going to be all about
me?
Kit camps. So we will be marketing kit camps next week.
Yeah.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Yeah, and we'll bring you more about what next for kit next week.
All right.
Thanks so much, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.